following this latest market news, I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets pared early gains and are mostly lower on Thursday, tracking the mixed cues overnight from Wall Street and as the UK began the formal process of exiting the European Union. Japan's Nikkei stock index was down 0.88%, though Toshiba shares rose 3.37%. Australian shares firmed up 0.39%, helped by gains in oil prices. South Korea's Kospi slipped 0.24%. In China, the Shanghai Composite and Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 1.04% and 0.52% respectively. Strong energy shares had helped the US S&P 500 and higher overnight, up 0.11%. The Dow edged down 0.20%, while the Nasdaq rose 0.38%. The dollar hovered around the 100 on a trade-weighted basis in Asia on Thursday, and the pound faces a sharper look, though it remains positive after the formal start of Brexit overnight. The dollar index, which tracks the US currency against a basket of 6 major rivals, rose 0.13% to 99.91. Overnight, the greenback was buoyed by better-than-expected US home sales data. Australian dollar-US dollar traded up 0.01% to 0.7671 after HIA new home sales rose 0.2%, month-on-month in February compared to a 2.2% decline in the previous month. US dollar-Japanese yen changed hands at 111.16, up 0.10. Euro-US dollar came under some selling, down 0.11% to 1.0753. Sterling edged up slightly on the day to 1.2441 US dollars after skidding to one-week low of 1.2377 US dollars overnight. The weekly update of jobless claims in the US is in focus today. US initial jobless claims, 12:30 GMT. New fillings for unemployment benefits remain close to multi-decade lows, suggesting that the economy will continue to mint new jobs at a healthy pace in the near term. The jobless claims have increased sharply over the past months, rising to a seasonally adjusted 258,000 for the week through March 18. For the moment, however, economists think that claims will turn lower. Econoday.com's consensus forecast calls for a drop of 11,000 to a seasonally adjusted 247,000 for the week through March 25. If that turns out to be wrong and claims post another rise, the news will raise new doubts about the strength of the US economy's forward momentum. It was the latest market news read by IGO FX. Goodbye.